Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you with a major breakthrough coming from Kolkata, where NIA, the National Investigation Agency, has today apprehended two key conspirators involved in the Rameshwaram Cafe blast. One is Abdul Mateen Taha and the second one is Musawwir Shahzeb, who have been today arrested from Kolkata Cafe and have been absconding since March 1 when the bomb blast happened. Let me drive you through the details. In a massive breakthrough, National Investigation Agency arrested two primary suspects linked to the Rameshwaram Cafe blast, said officials on Friday. The suspects were picked from Kolkata, West Bengal, they added. The anti-terror agency arrested Musawwir Hussain Shahzeb and Abdul Mateen Taha, the two masterminds behind the horrific incident inside Rameshwaram Cafe, from Kolkata based on the information provided by the Intelligence Bureau. Confirming the development in the high-profile case, the NIA said in a significant development, the absconders in Rameshwaram Cafe blast was Abdul Mateen Taha and Musawwir Hussain Shahzeb were traced out during their hide near Kolkata and were apprehended by NIA team. Musawwir Hussain Shahzeb is accused who placed the IED at the cafe, and Abdul Mateen Taha is the mastermind behind planning, execution of blast and subsequent evasion from the clutches of law, the NIA reportedly said. The anti-terror agency on Friday morning successfully traced the absconding accused near Kolkata, where they were hiding under false identities. This pursuit, successfully accomplished by NIA, was ably supported by energetic coordinated action and cooperation between NIA, Central Intelligence Agencies and state police agencies of West Bengal, Telangana, Karnataka and Kerala police, said the anti-terror agency in an official statement. 10 people were injured in low-intensity blast at Popular Cafe in Bengaluru on March 1. The explosion was carried out by triggering an IED bomb using a timer. The NIA examined more than 1,000 CCTV cameras in the vicinity and identified the Bengaluru Cafe blast suspect as Musawwir Hussain Shahzeb. He hailed from Shivamogga in Karnataka's Thiruthulli district, confirmed the anti-terror agency. The NIA revealed the identity of bomber Shahzeb after it found the cap the suspect was seen wearing in various CCTV videos, sources said, adding the cap was purchased from the Chennai mall, thus implying that the suspect had resided in Chennai for more than a month since January this year. One of Shahzeb's close aide was also identified by the anti-terror agency as Abdul Mateen Taha, a native of Thiruthulli. Taha was wanted for a murder of Tamil Nadu Police Inspector K. Wilson and stayed with the main suspect in Chennai. With this breakthrough, the total arrest made in the Bengaluru Cafe blast has gone up to 4, as earlier the NIA team detained Maz Munir and Muzammil Sharif. The anti-terror agency arrested 30-year-old Sharif in Karnataka for providing logistical support for Bengaluru Cafe bomb blast. It was the first arrest made by NIA in this case. Based on the statement of Sharif, who hails from NIA, detained Maz Munir, who is suspect in the Shivamogga trial blast and Mangaluru graffiti case. Well, that's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned to the Savera.